All right, this is the 32 CMP rig and its final form. Currently mining Zealous. Has four 2,000 watt power supplies. On a custom made frame I built with deep in the mine cables, with deep in the mine breakout board, to the Dell 2,000 watt power supply with the PSU holder developed in house, cables, and controller by ESP32 and more, and the special sauce adapter developed by them too for more fans. Using 8 Arctic 120 millimeter 8,000 RPM fans to keep everything nice and cool. Everything is connected to a 9th gen Intel NUC. Now the way it's all wired up and hooked up and everything, it's using a 16X riser board like I talked about before. That's going to a 4X riser. Right there. Now the other set of cards down at the bottom, that's connected by M.2 to a 16X adapter. Yes, the fan on the Intel NUC died. So, yeah. I'll have that running out over here. And that goes down to that adapter. And then that goes in there. Yeah. It's a simple setup. Yeah, it has its own PDU. Yeah, not much to talk about. I mean, I need to get that back up and running. You can see some of these rigs. Thank you, Zapirate, for turning them off for this. Appreciate that. Yeah, nice, simple setup. Had a few issues this morning, but everything's up and running. Temps, 32, wattage, all the fans. Yeah, I mean, there's not much to this. It's a fully working setup. I had it stable for about 30 days. I just didn't have the frame set up, so I didn't want to do anything. Yeah, this is a little adapter I designed. You put the I/O shield at the bottom, the card in, the little 3D printed rivets go into it, and that's what I'm using to build the 4 cards. The Arctic fan. No sponsorship or anything, just nothing. Just want to use good quality fans. It keeps them nice and cool. The fans ramp up normally when it's been running for a while. Not running for a while. So, but the one special sauce that you have to run this many cards is it has to be an MPOS first off, then second off for the drivers. It does have to be the 535 drivers. And you need a good amount of RAM. Yeah. I'm very surprised that the laptop i7 is able to handle this, but it does perfectly well, as you can tell. I am trying to, if you could tell, yeah, it's a mess. That is the Asus B250 mining expert going to get 20 GPUs running on that. Sorry, OPM. Got to do it. And then this one has not finished yet. Still got 4 more cards to get, and I think right now the new motherboard for it is out for delivery. And that's a special one, very very tiny one. And then that is the very original setup I did using older style PSUs, and that's the 16V100 BIOS ones. You got 178Xs. And then I have BC 160s, and I have 8 more CMP cards over here, and then G Pros. The CMPs are going to go on the riser board, and then I'm going to make another open frame and have it all set up, ready to go. But yeah, if you have any comments, questions, let me know. It worked out a lot easier than I thought, but I have to say the MMPOS dev is definitely an amazing person to help me with all this. But yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave a comment. And if you want a fan hub, I will try to link that in the description below. But yeah, that's it. All right.